What is going on, everybody? So today we're gonna look at Logitech M720 Triathlon Mouse. So before I start unboxing and reviewing this product, make sure you guys click that subscribe button. So now let's get right into unboxing. The package itself is pretty basic as opposed to what we pay for the device itself. But I guess you don't pay for the packaging, but you pay for what comes inside the box here. So the package comes with the mouse itself and the user manual here. Let's take it out here. So now I'll just go over the user manual here, all the functionality and the feature really quick, then I'll give you a demonstration. My user manual here, it just tells you Triathlon M720 and gives you a little bit quick feature of the mouse itself. And if you look at the back, so it says here easy switch. The good advantage of this mouse is you can connect up to 3 computers from the one device, so it's very good for the people who use multiple computers and you don't have to buy a separate mouse for each computer. And easy switch, and it says you have 8 customized buttons that you can customize whatever fits your need. And fly through the scroll button, there is 2 modes here, slower and the faster. I'll go through that into the video later on. And it can hold up to 10 billion clicks, so that's pretty awesome. And if you open the manual here, it has some safety feature. I don't care about that. And here, if you open inside, it tells you how to connect to the computer here. So I'll go over this later in this video. This is the mouse. So let's see what comes with the packaging and with the mouse. So here it comes, I'll take this thing out. And this is the battery and a Bluetooth dongle to connect to your computer. So after all, this mouse comes with the battery and a Bluetooth dongle to connect this to your computer and the mouse. Now let's get into the detail. Now let's talk about the design of M720 Logitech Triathlon Mouse. So this full-size mouse that is really ergonomic is only made for right-handed people. And if you look at the surface of this mouse has a rubbery matte finish black surface on the top that makes it really unique and gives it a premium look. Even though because of the rubbery surface and a black color, this might make it dirty really quick as compared to any other color. So now if you look at the base of this mouse, that is white color, and on the 3 spots it has a rubbery base to support even if you're not using a mouse pad, so you can easily put on any surface and can still be able to use it. The contrast of black and white make it really nice. This mouse might be a little big for the small-handed people because I like big mouse and have a medium or a large hand, so it's easy to grip it nicely and firmly. But if you're one of those with a small hand, then it's not a great choice for you guys. So now let's talk about some of the feature and the buttons, what's on the top of the top and side of this Logitech Triathlon mouse. So if you look at the top, it has 3 buttons here, 1, 2, 3. Usually these 2 are customizable, so you can customize it according to your need. I'll get into that later in this video. And this one is to switch between different multiple devices. So one of the reason I got this device, this mouse, is so you can connect with different 3 systems at the same time. So when you press this once, it will go to 1 and press 2 and 3 after you connect it properly to your system. On the top, if you look at it, it has a right and left very smooth and comfortable clicks here, gives you a nice sound. The scroll button also has this rubber in the center, and when you scroll it, it makes a really audible sound that's more satisfying, and when you click this, it makes it more freely. You have to go through a long comment section reading a long PDF. You have to go all the way bottom. Just enable the freely scrolling option and you can go all the way down very quickly. And when you enable the other option for the scrolling, you press this button, and when you try to go up, it will take a lot of time. It will go through very slowly. And on the side, a hidden gesture button that you can customize it according to your need. It's really hidden, so if you press this here, you can really customize it according to your need. And when you look at the base of this compartment, it comes with a AA battery. That's according to the Logitech, that's usually lasts around 2 or 2.5 years. So that's pretty cool. And here it has a Bluetooth receiver that you can connect to your system. Suppose some of these systems are old operating system that does not support smart devices. To replace that, you can use this USB receiver and you can still use this mouse on those systems. Logitech uses around 1000 dpi optical sensor to make the tracking more accurate, and for the people like me who play games and do some daily activity on the computer, does not have any problem with the sensitivity. Now let's connect this to the computer and see how does the connectivity works and what software do I need to download. I'll go over that with you guys. So as you guys can see, I have downloaded the Logitech M720 software here. So once you press this button, yes, show analytics. No, I don't want to share that. So keep going, it will take a couple of seconds to properly install it. Now the next step is asking you to create or log in to existing account, but I don't have any account, so I'm gonna make a new one here. So I have created an account now. Welcome Hamad, keep going, keep continue. You like to receive product? Yeah, sure, why not? So here it will tell you different options that you can avail by using this M720 Logitech Triathlon Mouse here. Here this forward, back, and this gesture button you can actually customize. And if you want to customize this forward button, just click here and it will ask you if you want to like back, gesture button, all this kind of stuff. But I don't use any other of the option except forward, so I'm going to leave it as is. Same thing with the center button here. I'm going to leave it as back. And gesture button, you can also customize the gesture button, but I'm okay for now to give me a desktop view, so that's okay for me. So you can customize it according to your need. Next, you can select the pointer speed, that's fine. Smooth scrolling, slow. Here it just tell you how you can connect different devices. I have shown you guys before. That's it. And this software is pretty good, and it will also tell you at the bottom what's the left for the battery, so that's pretty good. So now it's telling me full and it's connected to Bluetooth device. So that's it. The setup is pretty simple. Pricing of this device, I got this for 69 Canadian dollars, so that's not that expensive and not that cheap, but it falls under the basic mouse. A lot of function you're getting in price you're paying, because there's tons of mouse that have same functionality and you pay around more than $100 easily. So as a computer price wise, that's a pretty good deal. The main reason of me getting M720 Logitech mouse is because I'm using different system at the same time, so I don't want to use or carry 3 different mouse to connect to different system. So in this one you can connect 3 system at the same time with the Bluetooth setting, and use a USB receiver to connect to the system. And the second reason is because my computer does not have more USB to connect to the mouse or different devices. So this one does not need to be connected to the dongle. You can just connect to the Bluetooth to the computer. So that saves one USB slot on your computer. So I have been using this mouse for over 6 months now, and this mouse can easily get 5-star rating from me. And it's pretty accurate, gives you a nice feeling, and pretty ergonomic mouse. I don't see any negative feedback here except the color of the mouse that's get dirty pretty easily. But that's okay, you can clean it anyways. So that's it today. I hope you guys find this video helpful and give you a nice information about this Logitech Triathlon mouse. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.